How to use the differential backup. Differential backup is a special system to get back certain records that you have deleted by mistake if you had them in a previous backup. In this example, you can see that there are 100 records in this database, the contacts table, and we have selected 20. Okay, so we're going to delete those 20 by going here. I'm gonna delete them. Okay, so now we have 80, obviously, total. Okay, now let's say that I have a previous backup and I'm going to go to Setup, Import, Export, and Backups. Import contacts from backup, differential backup. Okay. Continue. You should read that. And here I made this particular test, which is a backup. Let's say it's a backup that I had. And in this particular case, I had 40 records. So in this example, that implies that 20 records I already have, and 20 records I just delete them. So I'm trying to recuperate those 20 records and not add the 40 records, but only add 20 records. So I just click open, right? It's very simple. Select matching records here, okay, assuming that the database is correct, that we are selecting the correct tables, in this case the contacts table, and you can leave this thing like this and click import. And this one also you can click import, and that's pretty much. You see it says 40, all right, but in reality it only imported 20, and now we have the 100 again. The other 20 has not been touched, has not been changed in any way, shape, or form. It is that simple. So now we have the 100 total. These are the 20 that we deleted, and we have them back.